The salted duck is a dish with a history goes way back hundreds of years. A well-made version of the dish presents tender white duck meat without the grease. Salted duck made in Nanjing is often regarded as the most popular, and according to local news, over 100 million ducks per year are consumed in the city. Alright, enough about the history. Time to cook our own. Despite the rather long cooking time overall, the recipe only takes a few simple steps. Instead of cooking a whole duck, I bought 6 duck wings and 2 duck legs. First, I'm separating the wings through the joints so they are easier to manage. Next, let's prepare the salt. Mix 5 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorn, 5 to 6 slices of ginger root, 1 star anise. Fry the mixture in a pan without oil on medium heat. Keep stirring until the salt turns brown. Switch off the heat and then let the salt mixture cool down. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine to the duck wings and legs. Massage evenly. Then add the salt mixture in, put on a kitchen glove, and rub the salt mixture on each piece of the duck meat. Here, the glove is highly recommended unless you desire to season your hands as well, as salt is very corrosive. Cover and marinate overnight or for 12 hours in the refrigerator. 12 hours later, rinse off the salt and all the spices. In a pot, cold water, about 2 cups. Add in the duck meat. ginger root slices and scallion, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 star anise, a few cloves, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. This simmering and brine process is super important. Low heat for sure. 20 minutes later, poke the thick part of the leg. If no blood comes out, they are ready. Take the dog meat out, cool down, and dry for about 30 minutes. Store in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Then take out, cut into smaller pieces as needed, drizzle some sesame oil, to garnish, I'm using a tomato. Slice open the skin into 8 equal parts without cutting through. Open the skin gently to form the petal shapes. Arrange the wings and legs properly. Transfer the tomato flour in and serve. Although the appearance of the dish is quite ordinary at the first glance, the unique and rich flavor is truly unbeatable. The salting, brining, and drying process together contributed to the degradation of the fat. The traditional recipe is more complicated, so I hope this simplified homemade version is more enjoyable. Before you leave, please click on the like button and try it. If you're new to my channel, also remember to subscribe and check out the other exciting and easier to follow recipes. Thanks, I'll see you around.